Hello, hello. I'm not sure about this whole thing, so I'm going to try. Does this work midstream? Hi, I'm Crispina French, and this is my studio. And I just realized that I can not just film my face. You're probably kind of tired of it, but I just realized that you don't have to do the selfie thing with this live stream. A little slow over here, but that's cool. I'm going to push this button now and show you around the studio a little bit. Let's see. And I want to just tell you that live at 11 is what we're doing over here, because then you guys know when to come see what we're up to. Hi, Peggy, Ray, Wilson, Hendon. Hi. I can see a little bubble. How's it going over there, girl? Okay, so we're working on these garlands right now. Check these out. Aren't these so pretty? Leslie, who's this awesome design girl who works here, and she went to Mass Art, and so did I. Isn't that cool? There's 3 of us on the team that all went to Mass Art. We're going to walk over here. Hopefully we're going to make it before the battery in the phone dies. And here we go. Check these out. These are kind of like the precursors to the one she's working on now. So we got flower garlands, and we're working on our fall garland, which will be ready to ship sometime in mid to late September. And you guys can order a kit and make it, and there's going to be directions in it, and cool little baubles and bits and all sorts of cool pieces that we're collecting and putting together. So it's going to be leaf shaped, and the Empress Wilson over there is chiming in. Thanks, Peggy. So leaves on a little garland that will hang on your door. So you can buy a kit, or if you're not really into making things but you really like the way they look, you can buy a finished garland. And those will be for sale as well. So anyhow, I'm so excited that I figured this thing out today. Yes, you don't have to look at my face all the time, but you can if you want to. And happy Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow, also at 11. And if you have a little time to check out the website, do that. The garlands aren't up yet. Like I said, they're going to launch middle to end of September. Hope you have a great afternoon. Take it easy.